Welcome to the Web Wealth Warriors podcast. Today, we're diving into the exciting realm of online money-making methods for beginners. In a digital age where opportunities abound, harnessing the power of the internet to create wealth has never been more accessible. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, escape the 9-to-5 grind, or even achieve financial freedom, this guide will take you from zero to wealth, step by step. The digital gold rush. The internet has ushered in a new era of entrepreneurship, where individuals armed with determination and a computer can carve out their own path to prosperity. From freelancing to e-commerce, affiliate marketing to content creation, the possibilities are vast. The key is to choose a method that aligns with your skills, interests, and goals. 1. Freelancing freedom. Freelancing offers a flexible gateway to earning money online. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients seeking a wide range of services, from graphic design and writing to programming and digital marketing. By showcasing your skills, building a portfolio, and delivering quality work, you can establish a reputation and command higher rates. 2. The e-commerce expedition. E-commerce has transformed the retail landscape. Launching your own online store through platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce can be a lucrative venture. Identify a niche, source or create products, set up your store, and leverage social media and digital marketing to attract customers. The key is to provide value, cultivate customer trust, and offer a seamless shopping experience. 3. Affiliate marketing adventures. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale generated through your unique affiliate link. This method requires strategic content creation and effective marketing. By sharing valuable insights and promoting products authentically, you can build a loyal audience and boost your earning potential. 4. Content is king. In the digital realm, content creation reigns supreme. Whether it's blogging, vlogging, or podcasting, sharing valuable information or entertaining content can attract a dedicated following. Monetization options include ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Consistency, quality, and catering to your audience's interests are key to success. 5. Diving into dropshipping. Dropshipping is a low-risk e-commerce model where you don't hold inventory. When a customer makes a purchase from your online store, the product is shipped directly from the supplier to the customer. While it requires careful product selection, branding, and customer service, dropshipping allows you to focus on marketing and sales without the burden of inventory management. 6. Unleashing online courses. If you possess expertise in a particular field, creating and selling online courses can be a rewarding venture. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera provide tools to structure and deliver your courses effectively. Whether it's teaching a language, a skill, or sharing specialized knowledge, online courses can generate passive income over time. 7. YouTube and ad revenue. YouTube offers a platform for creative expression and earning potential. By producing engaging videos that cater to your target audience's interests, you can grow a subscriber base and monetize your content through ad revenue. The more views and engagement your videos receive, the higher your earnings can climb. Navigating the online landscape. While the allure of online wealth is undeniable, it's essential to approach these methods with realistic expectations and a willingness to invest time and effort. Here are some tips to navigate the online landscape successfully. 1. Educate yourself. Before diving in, educate yourself about the chosen method. Learn about best practices, industry trends, and success stories. There are plenty of online resources, courses, and communities that can provide valuable insights. 2. Consistency is key. Consistency is crucial in building an online presence. Whether it's posting regular content, updating your store, or responding promptly to client inquiries, staying consistent helps establish trust and credibility. 3. Embrace the learning curve. Success rarely happens overnight. Be prepared to face challenges, make mistakes, and learn from them. Each setback is an opportunity to refine your approach and grow. 4. Focus on value. Regardless of the method you choose, prioritize delivering value to your audience or customers. Solve their problems, address their needs, and exceed their expectations. This approach fosters loyalty and word-of-mouth referrals. 5. Master digital marketing. Effective digital marketing is the engine that drives online success. Learn the basics of search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, email campaigns, and paid advertising to attract and retain a broader audience. 6. Adapt and innovate. The online landscape evolves rapidly. Stay updated on industry changes, consumer preferences, and emerging technologies. Adapt your strategies to remain relevant and competitive. From zero to wealth, your journey starts now. In the vast universe of online money-making methods, the journey from zero to wealth begins with a single step. Whether you're an aspiring freelancer, e-commerce entrepreneur, content creator, or affiliate marketer, the digital world offers unprecedented opportunities. Remember, success comes to those who are willing to invest time, effort, and passion into their chosen endeavor. By staying informed, remaining persistent, and embracing the learning process, you can transform your online venture into a thriving source of income. As you embark on this exciting journey, keep in mind the words of entrepreneur and author Jim Rohn: success is not to be pursued, it is to be attracted by the person you become. So, welcome to the realm of web wealth warriors, where your determination, creativity, and perseverance will pave the way to your online prosperity. Your path from zero to wealth starts now. Unlock the secrets of online income and embark on a journey from zero to wealth with From Zero to Wealth, Online Money-Making Methods for Beginners. This comprehensive guide is designed to equip beginners with the knowledge and strategies needed to succeed in the digital world. Whether you're new to online ventures or looking to expand your horizons, this book provides valuable insights and actionable steps to help you achieve financial success. Discover a wide range of online money-making methods and learn how to leverage them effectively. From e-commerce platforms to affiliate marketing, digital product creation, freelancing opportunities, and more, you'll explore various avenues for generating income online. The book covers essential topics such as setting a strong foundation, identifying profitable niches, marketing strategies, scaling your business, and overcoming challenges along the way. With practical tips, expert advice, and real-life examples, From Zero to Wealth empowers you to take control of your financial future. Whether you dream of building a thriving e-commerce store, launching a successful affiliate marketing business, creating digital products, or exploring freelance opportunities, this book provides the guidance you need to make informed decisions and maximize your earning potential. Fuel your motivation, overcome obstacles, and create a personalized action plan to put your newfound knowledge into practice. From Zero to Wealth sets you on a path to financial freedom and offers a roadmap to transform your aspirations into tangible results. Start your journey today and unlock the potential of online money making. Get your copy of From Zero to Wealth, Online Money-Making Methods for Beginners and take the first step towards a prosperous future. Order your copy now from KOKOSHUNGSAN.UK, Google Play Books or Apple Books and take the first step towards a better life today. The link to the ebook can be found in the description section below. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, and feel free to reach out to us with any feedback or suggestions. Our mission is to empower individuals with the knowledge and tools they need to succeed in all aspects of life. We wish you the best of luck on your journey towards success and fulfillment. KOKOSHUNGSAN.net